be still breathing fire. No, we got it. We'll get it. You gonna work in the morning? I'm sure you will, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll take you cab.
No.
It's like $10.
26, according to Uber, that I just canceled.
It's not bad. Beats a DWI.
Pretty spendy.
What time do you wake up tomorrow?
I'll probably wake up around 4.
In the morning?
Yeah.
Because I go to work before 7:30. So if Loki drops me off, he can drop you off at Op's house.
Like that. That neat. Yeah, we got it, chill. You gonna work a full day?
No. I'm gonna go and be like, I'm sick. No, I'm kidding.
Eyes are white. Yeah, I'm thinking about going down to Whittier and renting a jet ski for the day.
It'd be nice to have a boat over there.
Would be.
Go bring it out and go crab it. Get your own crab.
Yeah, man. Thanks for bringing us home.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll make it up to you.
What?
Is your zipper undone?
Gas or ass, Daryl.
What?
Cash, gas or ass, Daryl.
Oh, Jesus.
Nobody rides for free.
Oh, goddamn. Ass, grass. Wait, hang on. Is it the 5 A's? No. Ass, grass. Wait, hang on. No, ass, grass, gas, and no ride for free. Well, I'm missing the 4th. Wait.
No, I think there was only 3.
Really?
Yeah.
No ass, grass, gas, no ride for free.
Cash or no ride for free.
Yeah, the cash, yeah. Man, that was the best ribs I think I've ever had in my life. It's that grill. It's got to be the grill. Can't be the cooks. That's some good shit, man. Wasn't that good ribs?
That was fucking amazing.
Fucking man, the juicy thing going on. Man, why is that? God damn, dude.
It's, putting
Moisture.
It in, putting it in the foil
You think?
halfway through.
New SMS from Baby Mama. Press Uconnect phone button and say text message to read.
Uma, ama, ooh.
Fucking off.
Yeah, you should see the things that she has done for me.
Huh?
Drunk,
Uh-oh.
asshole, bastard.
Oh God. So the pear don't.
What kind of-
So the pear
How
don't
is
fall
that?
too far from the apple tree.
I forget. It's